In this video, we're going to go over how to use Microsoft Expression Encoder to record your computer screen. To get Expression Encoder, the simplest way is to go to Microsoft.com, quickly search for Expression Encoder. It'll pull up a few different versions of it with extra service packs and whatever. You simply need to click download and it'll start the installer. You can go down here, get the details on it, what version it is, and it also lists out the system requirements, operating system, amount of memory required, all that other good stuff. Once you've downloaded it, you easily open it up, and there are a few different buttons. First one is for including audio if you want to use the microphone on your computer to record while you're taking the screen grab. You can use that. This next button adjusts the volume, so if you want it a little bit softer or a little bit louder. Webcam, if you want to record yourself, you can add that on top of the screen recording that you're doing, followed by your edit options. You can adjust frame rate, bit rate, the quality, all that stuff. If you are going to use a webcam, you have to set it up in the camera section. Got audio, you can change it if you want to add an external mic instead of using your computer one. Change the bit rate, format. You can edit the hotkeys to change what you use to start and stop it. There's also a button, so you don't really need to worry about that unless you like using hotkeys. Other settings, and of course help. Next to your edit options is the capture manager. If you click on that once, these three dots, you can choose where each screen grab will end up going. So you can create a new folder, send them all there. Then it'll list out the screen captures that are already in that folder. Finally, next to that, you have the record button. So we'll go ahead and pull up a screen we might want to record. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and record a little bit of this YouTube video. You can pull this out of the way here. We hit record, we'll bring up this box. Anything within this box is what's going to be recorded. So you can edit it to the section that you actually want to record. So if I just want to do just the YouTube video, I can adjust it that way. You can also manually adjust the width and height below. We hit record. It'll give you a little bit of a countdown and it'll start recording. You can let it go for as long as you want. It'll see the mouse movement based on the settings we have, and we can do whatever we need to. If we want to pause it, resume it. If you're using a web page, you can obviously go to different ones, change the page however you want, and it'll keep recording. Once we're done, we click stop, completely stop the recording, and it'll save it to that folder that we had set up before. So we will go ahead and watch the video we just recorded. And it'll start recording. Let it go for as long as you want. You'll see the mouse movement based on the settings we have, and we can do whatever we want. As you can hear, you could hear my voice being recorded. Since the microphone was capturing what I was saying, you can turn that off as well if you don't want your voice included in it. Close that out. And yeah, pretty simple, not much to it, easy to use.